In this video, we will be using JMP to find our scatter plots of predictors, our correlation matrix, and identifying the variance inflation factor for our model, all using the hospital data example. Recall that in this example, we had our Y, which was the number of labor hours. We had 5 predictors, or regressors, which were the average daily patient load, the monthly x-rays, the monthly occupied bed days, the eligible population, and then the average length and stay in days. The first thing we looked at in our notes was the scatter plot matrix. So if we come over here, we go to Graph, Scatter Plot Matrix. It's going to ask us to input our x's. Oh, shift. We're going to add these, and then we're going to press OK. And so now we have our scatter plot matrix that we had from our notes. To get the correlation, we go to Analyze, Multivariate, go to Analyze, Multivariate Method, Multivariate. Then, again, we're just going to highlight our x's, and we're going to put them in the columns. Press OK. And now you have your correlation matrix here, and then you also have your scatter plot. I do prefer the scatter plot matrix that we get from going to Graph Scatter Plot because it doesn't have this extra little bit, but it's your choice. Now, the third thing we want to talk about is how we get our variance inflation factor. So what we do is we go to Analyze, Fit Model. We're going to fit our model just like we've done previously, put our Y. We're going to put all of our X's. We're going to add those. Just make sure that says effect leverage so that you at least see the same data. It gets you the same stuff. Now we're going to scroll down to our parameter estimate table. We're going to right-click on the table, click on columns, and then VIF. And now you have your variance inflation factors. Notice that they are large. So from here, we would probably go into a model building type of scheme and figure out which ones we do or do not want to keep.